Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping the water and making space. Shut the feed valve and open a nearby faucet to relieve pressure. This prevents a spray. Once done, set a bucket and towel under the filter and grab your new big blue cartridge, wrench, silicone lubricant, and rag. Remove the filter housing cap counterclockwise. Use steady pressure. You'll feel resistance from the O-ring. Breaking that seal is the immediate first step so you can extract the old cartridge safely and without mess. You now extract the used cartridge and inspect the interior. Lift the big blue core straight up to avoid scraping the housing. Check the cartridge for tears and the housing base for sediment. Next, remove the O-ring and wipe both the groove and sealing surface clean. Debris here causes leaks. If the O-ring is flattened or cracked, swap it for a new one. Make sure to apply a thin layer of food-grade silicone lubricant. Then align the replacement cartridge with the flow arrow before lowering it into place. You finish by reassembling and testing the system. Hand thread the housing cap, then use the wrench for a final snug. Avoid over-torquing, which can damage threads. Slowly reopen the feed valve while watching the cap and base for drips. This low-pressure start reveals seal issues without a sudden flood. Flush the new cartridge for 2 to 5 minutes to remove manufacturing fines. If you see a persistent leak, stop, depressurize, and check the O-ring seating. Replace a damaged O-ring, then retest under low pressure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.